Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Craft Rendezvous. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. Today we are going to make Santa party caps with colorful craft paper and some glitter sheets. Let's begin. Make a cone with this paper and cut at the base so that it can stand on a flat surface. Now fix the edges. Similarly, make more paper caps in different color sheets. Now we will decorate this with some cool goggles. For this, draw an outline of goggle on a plain white paper and use black marker to highlight it. Cut the excess and our goggle is now ready. Let's make few more designs of goggles. Take a black paper and draw an outline of the goggle. Cut it out. Cut 4 small strips of paper and paste it on the goggle as shown in the video. Make more designs of your choice. Now we will make mustaches in different shapes and color for the center. Just draw the shape of the mustache on a paper and cut it out. Similarly, make some more mustaches for our caps. Now let's make head for the center. Cut a square and a rectangle piece of paper and paste it as shown in the video. Draw a star on the glitter sheet and cut it out. Now take a brown paper, fold it in half, then draw the shape of horns and cut it out. All our parts are ready. Now we will start to assemble all these by pasting it with the help of glue. Firstly, paste the star on the tip of the cone. Next, paste the goggle 2 inches below the tip, then the mustaches, followed by a small circle to make the nose of the center. Similarly, arrange these goggles and mustaches on all the caps. Now, take a black sheet and cut 3 long strips from it. Then, take yellow glitter sheet and draw rectangular shape on it. Cut it out. This becomes the belt of the center. Now paste these belts on our caps. Tan-tan-tan! It's ready! All our caps look so beautiful. You can use them in any house party for extra fun.